Here's how the Lenovo Yoga 920 performed in our suite of benchmark tests. 3D Mark Skydiver, 4451 times SPY, 414, Fire Strike, 1041. Cinebench CPU, 564 points, Graphics, 49.32 FPS. Geekbench 4 Single Core, 4677, Multi-Core, 14123. PC Mark 8 Home, 3291. PC Mark 8 Battery Life, 4 hours and 1 minute. Battery Life, Tech Radar Movie Test, 9 hours and 23 minutes. During our time using the Yoga 920, primarily as a laptop, but also occasionally as a tablet, we were very impressed with its performance. The unit we used was the version with a Core i7 processor, 8GB of RAM and a 1080p display. Windows 10 ran smoothly with no issues, and thankfully Lenovo has kept bloatware, as in unwanted pre-installed applications, to a minimum. Day-to-day tasks were usually processed quickly, although we did notice that it took our configuration of the Yoga 920 quite a long time to extract a large compressed zip file, which also caused its fans to kick in. Most of the time these fans stayed silent, but for more demanding tasks they did kick in, making the 920 louder than the fanless design of the Surface Book 2 13.5-inch.